know and expect are actually ancient humans that have come back. But the thing is okay, like, let's say, depicted as this, right? That they have small limbs and stuff because they don't need a body in space, right? They don't need a big giant system of bowel and reproductive stuff, okay? All they need is a basic thorax style thing where their head and limbs can be supported, okay? And their eyes would be big because there's not much light, so they're going to let in all the light out of those big eyes into their skull, right? So their brain's probably in there. And all their limbs are short because they don't have controls where they place their hand on. They have little pockets where they place their digits into, and they're able to do multiple controls. Because if you have a three-dimensional sleeve that has all buttons on the inside, you can actually have 4 or 5 controllers inside of a sleeve. So, and then they don't need nourishment either, because the basic muscular structure is not much of anything. It's almost like those, you know, those soft robot kind of things. And, you know, they won't have to have big feet for balance or a superior skeleton. And, you know, the thing is that we still have free will. So if the world did have the civilizations and it did implode or explode and became uninhabitable, at a certain time it will re-establish itself to be habitable again, because that's how crops work at the same token. So it's possible that the aliens, a percentage of them that are out there, are just ancient humans, and they don't have a place to dock. They might just be in a space station, and they might try to infiltrate. And it's also possible that if there are other types of aliens, that their brains could be like octopuses in there, you know, male and female, because, you know, it's just a lot of stuff going on. But the basic structure of an alien doesn't have to be thick or big or anything. It should be lightweight. They shouldn't require nourishment, and it could almost be mechanical. So with just a brain set and an eye set, and the way the stem could be connected, they could actually control the whole body through a skull here. Okay, so, and that's basically how the aliens would work if we are a product of them, or they were a product of us and we're related. So that's why, you know, they look like that.